on the Ultimate Survival Essentials flashlight kit. This isn't just any flashlight, this is an awesome flashlight with a case that's designed to be able to withstand a little bit of impact if you want to carry your flashlight separately. So what comes in this kit is a flashlight, sweet, and an extendable telescoping lens and or bulb. The bulb size on here is about 1 inch wide. Easy press button on the back, and there's like a crosshatch grip. Plus you have a little bit more room if you want to extend it out or conceal it. So there's that guy. What also came with is this charging unit. And this is pretty cool. It actually is a lithium-ion battery universal charger that can plug into any standard American wall outlet. But what it's got is this spring-loaded charging setup. So you can charge AAAs, AA's, also these style. So it came with an oversized 4200 milliamp hour battery. It's a 3.7 volt, which would be about the same capacity of about just under 3 AA batteries or 3 AAA batteries. It also came with this. So the sleeve adapter, which can run inside the flashlight, but it can receive AAA batteries. So you got 3 AAA batteries or 1 solid rechargeable ultrafire battery. The batteries are going to be sold different, separately, but the idea is that you can swap them out. Take out the back, put the battery in, you're good to go. One click. I think this might have strobe. And an SOS pattern, which is pretty cool because if you're out in the woods or whatever and you have a rechargeable setup, when your batteries dies from a strobe, you can actually swap it out, whether you're using AAA's or another kind of rechargeable. It's also got kind of, if you can see there, tactical sort of tips so that you can, if you had to, you have at least somewhat of a point to one another. But what I really like is the way the charge setup works right here. Put the cap back on, and just to demonstrate, your deal goes in like so, you're good to go. No batteries in there, but you get the idea. So is this. This is a non-rechargeable AA battery, but you get the idea. This one, if it were able to charge, could go in there and it'd be good to go. We're not going to do that though, because we don't want to blow it up. What I found kind of neat was these batteries were some that I identified sitting on a shelf somewhere. Someone had obviously marked them dead, but they didn't realize that they're tactical monster flashlight rechargeable batteries at 2600 milliamp hours. Not quite as powerful as these at 42, but just to test them out, I decided, well, if they say that they're dead, let's plug it in and see what happens. So plugged it in, stuck it in the wall outlet. Check this one. There we go. And just so you're aware, this one also said dead. Whoop, dead. And that somehow. That guy in. So one of the things you can do with this when you extend it out is isolate that beam. And you can't really see it on this wood, but the difference is pretty significant. See if I can get it to go out. And doing so, you can shoot quite a distance away or spotlight something that's up close or within firing range. So we're going to be testing an Ultimate Survival Essentials flashlight, and we thought what we could do is connect it to our four-wheeler here, and what we're going to do is we're going to test it against the headlights of the four-wheeler. So we've got our light working, charged up and ready. So now we're just going to mount it to the front, and we'll test it against the lights that are actually equipped with the machine and see if it holds up. So since we've been dropping it like this, kind of palm down like so, and dropping it on the block, and it's not really having any impact on it. I figured since if it was dropped at a high elevation, more than likely it would tumble and eventually come down on the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to see what we can do to rig it up to where it falls straight down and see what kind of damage it does to the face. Finally got it to hit the brick after about hitting the ground about 6 or 8 times, and you can kind of see. There we go. I have to focus in on it. Where it's just pretty much dusted out at the concrete, but it didn't really do a whole lot to the flashlight. So I'm gonna try it again, see if we can't bust this thing up a little bit more. Oh, by the way, still works. Like a charm. survive this. Let's go fishing. Well, looks like about as good a spot as any. That should do. Well, I wound up breaking off the spring from the inside. Bust that spring right off, so what we're going to do is we're going to try and solder it back on there. Caliber pellet. Like it was nothing. It's one hard case for sure. Well, hey everybody, thanks for watching. We hope you had as much fun watching the video as we had making it. Special thanks out to the folks at Ultimate Survival Essentials out in Montana. Shout out to those guys, and check them out at ultimatesurvivalessentials.com. Be sure to follow us on social media, including Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube, of course, tacticaltorture.com. Thanks for everything, and hopefully you guys subscribe, follow, and do all that good stuff, and see you next time. Take care.